Hey everybody, so last video of the course here, I want to describe to you two apps, and these two apps are apps that I actually made for iPhone. So one is PokeMaps, the other is PokeLater. So PokeMaps is an app where users can submit Pokemon they see for other people to find. So if you're interested in trying to help other people out and even helping yourself out, I'll go ahead and download this in this app, and I would appreciate it if you did that. Also, Pokelator. So Pokelator is a way to find out what your Pokemon CP is going to be after you evolve it. So there's certain multipliers for certain Pokemon, and this app really tries to give you a good estimate of what that would be. And if you go download that app as well, I would greatly appreciate it. At the recording of this video, Pokelator is not on the App Store yet, but hopefully it will be soon. Alright, let's move on to the final video of the course.